So, good day ma'am. I am Princess Diane Haba. Today, I will discuss how to prepare a trial balance. So first, let us understand what is trial balance is. A trial balance is a list of all accounts and their balances taken from the ledger. Its main purpose is to check if the total debits are equal to the total credits. So, first step is to prepare a format to start. We create a table with 3 columns like column title, debit, or credit. So, write the title trial balance at the top together with the date, which is muna ang Diana Medical Services trial balance for the month of March 25, 2026. Step 2 is list all ledger account. Next, we list all the account from the general ledger. Example, include the cash, account receivable, supplies equipment, account payable, capital. Make sure all accounts are included. Step 3 is write the balances after listing. Write each account balance in the correct columns. If the account has a debit balance, place it under the debit column. If it's credit balance, place under the credit column. Step 4 is compute the total now. Add all the debit amount and all the credit accounts separately. Step 5 is check fully. Finally, compare the total. If total debit called total credit, the trial balance is correct. If not, this may be an error that needs to be checked. So, in conclusion, trial balance helps ensure that our accounting records are accurate and balanced. It is an important step before preparing financial statement. That's all. Thank you very much.